Abanye benu probably nikhe nambona kuma screens wenu, but if awumbonanga then nalapho it's fine. Please introduce yourself to our viewers wethu.
Ngegama nguKeletso, sawubona sisi kunjani? Ngegama nguKeletso, Sibongo wakasifama. Yeah.
Okay. So Keletso namhlanje bozenzani la ground?
Bengizodlala.
So how? Okay. So how did you find igame yenu yanamhlanje? How did you think team yakho iperforme kanjani?
Sidlale kahle. I think kwenzekile ukuthi sidliwe. But the performance kumajita wami I can say ukuthi it was a great performance. So it's a pity ukuthi sidliwe, but we deserve better. Yabo ngokubona kwami bekumele ngabe siwinile but kuyenzeka in football.
So when kancane just like a few nje ukuthi usichaza ukuthi why did you choose to play ibhola and ushaya pyramid encane nje yama team ekhe wadlalela up until now?
The reason ngichoose ukudlala ibhola bengidlala like street soccer eKasi, so ngabona ukuthi ngine potential plus nabangani bami eKasi bangitshela ukuthi hayi khona into ekhona, so I started ku Hyper Academy ngacoachwa no coach Wanda ku Hyper Academy, ngaya ngathola I call up from ku Kaizer Chiefs, so ngakhulela khona, then ke ngakwaba nama team engiwadlalela, so uYukeletso lo, so I role model yami ne yami bangibiza ngoTeko uDona, so obviously shoot ubani vele Teko. Yeah.
So when I style of play sakho ngasdescribe kanjani, like in 2 or 3 words?
Ngumuntu othanda, like I like to dance ngebhola.
Okay.
Yabo, I like scoring goals. That's the first thing engithandayo ke, scoring goals, because into engakuyisa kude in life as a midfielder forward ngithola, so you have to score goals or give an assist, so yizo izinto engingasho ukuthi izinto ezingangisa phambili ngebhola le.
Sekuthiwa uyarretire namhlanje, how would you like to be remembered?
As the steps omshado.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. No, before we close it off, word of the day nyana.
Word of the day. Ngathini word of the day. Empilweni unga give up.
Okay.
Khona kuzoyenzeka.
Sharp. Thank you so much for your time.
Sharp sister.
Sharp.